Hey guys, how are you? I hope you are fine and doing well. With good health and very happiness. And this is me Asya, and welcome to my YouTube channel, Woman Hall. Today I'll show you in this video stylish and latest collection of leather skirt with beautiful top and different ideas of full outfit with skirt for girls and women you see in this video, and very stylish stitching of skirt. Some ideas back zip, some ideas front zip, in some collections side zip, and beautiful stitching designing, simple plaits, box plaits, high and low designs, and ruffle designs on skirt, zip designs on skirt, and some ideas button designs on skirt, and some collection beads designs on skirt in today's my collection, and so beautiful top, designer top, and different type of t-shirts, dress shirts, and sweaters, zipper sweaters, high neck sweaters, and mini jacket, and overall collection latest and trendy. I hope you like it. If you like it, so try this, and if you try it, I hope you look so nice and stylish and you look too gorgeous. I hope you must try it. If you're new on my channel, I request you please do subscribe my channel, like my video, share my video with your friends, your family members and others, and please fully support me, support my channel. My channel can't grow without your support, your help, so I hope you do this and share it your all over social media accounts. So friend, thank you so much. You're watching my video on my channel. See you soon. I'll write back with new collection, new ideas. Take care and bye bye.